Hello, welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Today's date is 29th June 2024. Our topic says preposition or say preposition. Under it you have behind. Behind. In Igbo, you call behind n'azụ. N'azụ. For example number 1. Look at this house and this tree. Number 1 says, that tree is behind the house. That tree is behind the house. You can see the tree, the leaves. So, class, where is this tree? The tree is behind the house. That tree is behind the house. That is, in Igbo, it means osisi ahụ dị n'azụ ụlọ. Osisi ahụ dị n'azụ ụlọ. You can see the tree at the back of the building. Another example, this is ego and this is a chair. Now, let's see this example in this sentence. Ego is behind the chair. Ego is behind the chair. You can see that ego is at the back of this chair. Ego is at the back of this chair. If I ask you, where is ego? You will answer that ego is behind the chair. Class, where is ego? Ego is behind the chair. Meaning, in Igbo, ego nọ n'azụ oche. Ebee ka ego nọ ndị klaasị anyị? Ego nọ n'azụ oche. Ị na-anya ị ga-ahụ na ebe ọ bụ ego bụ na gịnị? N'azụ oche. Ihe ọbụla dị n'azụ, abịa na bekee akpọ ya behind. Behind. Ngwanụ, like and share our videos. Follow us for more. If you can draw better than me, please put it on the comment section. Draw your own. Bye.